In this video, I'm not only going to show you how you can make money with Google Sheets, I'm going to show you how you can build a full-time income that makes $3,000 a month or $10,000 a month with simple Google Sheets. So make sure you watch this entire video if you want to learn how to build an online business with Google Sheets. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned in the opener, I'm going to show you how to build an actual real online business with Google Sheets. Now, as you know, Google Sheets is a platform that competes with Microsoft Excel, where people can build out these different macros and calculations, and we're going to use that to our advantage to make money. In this video, we're going to go from the fastest way to potentially the longest and most profitable way. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we could do, if we jump over to my screen here, is we can jump over to Etsy. Now, as you know, Etsy is a website where people can buy and sell different things. What I've done here is I've simply just typed in Google Sheets. Now, what you can do is you can build out these Google Sheets, and if you don't know how to build them, stay with me, I'll show you how to do that. You can create Google Sheets and sell them right on Etsy. The cool thing with Etsy and Google Sheets is you can share them easily, and so they're a digital product where you just create the content once and people are going to buy it from you over and over again. And if you don't know how to create your own Google Sheets, you don't know what to do exactly, you can hop over to Fiverr and find people that will do it for you for as little as $10. What I recommend that you do is figure out exactly what your target audience is looking for. For example, if we go up to Google Sheets here, and you can see Google Sheets budget, Google Sheets budget template, Google Sheets calendar. These are all different things that people are searching for with regards to Google Sheets. You simply create it, and then as you can see, you can sell them for anywhere between $16, and this is actually going for $195. Now, this is going to be potentially the fastest way that you can make money, because you simply will work with someone over on Fiverr, tell them exactly what you're looking for, and then you post it up. Now, this is going to be the fastest way and probably the least profitable way, because you are going to have a lot of competition. But what I recommend that you do if you want to get started, you want to start making some money, you're probably going to make maybe $10 per day with this. You could create and sell Google Sheets right over on Etsy. There are other websites you can do this to as well, but Etsy is probably the most popular. And one thing that you could do is if I jump over to a keyword research tool called Ahrefs. So one thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put in Etsy.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look and see which keywords that people are searching for over on Etsy. So I'm going to go down to organic keywords, and I'm going to type in Google Sheets to see if people are searching and what type of Google Sheet that they're looking for. This could potentially give us more insight in finding keywords that people are going to buy because they're looking for it, and there isn't necessarily someone to answer that question. So we can go to keyword. Let's enter in Google Sheet. Hit enter. I'll put an asterisk there as well. Hit enter, and this should return the different searches that people are looking for with regard to Google Sheet. So while that's working, this is the least profitable way, but probably the fastest way. You'll figure out the different sheets that people are looking for, budget calculators, all those different things. You can hire someone over on Fiverr to do it for you. Once you get it back, you simply download the Google Sheet right into Etsy. People will buy it. You make money 24 hours a day. The next thing that you could do is simply create a YouTube channel. Now, the reason why this is pretty cool, and we can actually use this in conjunction with the first method, is we're going to create simple videos answering the question and solving the problem. For example, people are looking up Google Sheets pivot table, and you can make money in a few different ways with this method. So as you can see here, top result, 246,000 views, 246,000 subscribers, 98,000 views. People are answering these questions with regard to pivot tables. You simply go out and figure out, once again, what people are looking for, what they want to know with regard to Google Sheets. You create that content, and then you could refer them back to Etsy to buy your product. Or you could be an affiliate for Etsy and recommend other people's products and make money that way. And this way, once you get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, this adds another layer of income. So if we go back over to our organic search, that's still working. But if you need keyword ideas, come over to Ahrefs. I typed in Google Sheet, and people are looking up different things with regard to Google Sheet. So it says embed Google Sheet. You could create a video showing them how to embed Google Sheet. So we're going to copy this. Jump back over to YouTube. We're going to paste that in, hit enter. You will create a video showing people how to embed Google Sheets somewhere else. If we take a look at this second result here, 5,730 subscribers, 6,000 views. The one below it, 16,000 views. This channel only has 491 subscribers. So you create content to help solve the problem. And then you have two options here. You can either refer them to Etsy or you can sell your own content. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. But you're making money in two ways. You have two revenue streams now. You have the Etsy revenue stream and you have YouTube. You simply go out and create content, 3 videos per day, and then you can refer them to wherever you want them to go and potentially make money. Another way that you can make money with Google Sheets is with a Udemy course. As you can see here, people are creating these simple Udemy courses. This one right here, Google Sheets, a comprehensive masterclass. She has 2,344 reviews. Now, obviously, many more people have purchased this, and she's selling it for just $12.99. Now, if we did the math here, we take $12.99. Now, I know with Udemy, you don't get the entire $12.99. We multiply that by, we'll say 2,300. That is over $29,000 just from this one course. And as you can see, there are tons of people that are doing this. You have the opportunity to do this too. And what you can do, once again, is you can pair this with this first method or even the second method. You can embed a link to your Udemy course. You could create your own course. You could be an affiliate for someone else's course. You can start compounding your income and your revenue streams. So what you do, first step, or really the second or third step after you get your Google Sheets up on Etsy, you come back over to Ahrefs and you start creating content on these low competition keywords. With regard to these low competition keywords are searched over 39,000 times per month, over 643 keywords. Now, if we remove the low competition, you're going to see there's even more opportunity to create content. But what I would do is I would start with the low competition keywords first and then come back to the higher competition so that you can start getting traction faster. So you figure out the keywords, you create YouTube videos, and then you can refer them either to Etsy to buy your products or over to Udemy. You can actually do both within your description of your videos to teach them how to use Google Sheets step by step. And that's going to help you build traction much faster. And it's going to help you actually build and scale your online business. The final rung of this is really to do all of this yourself. Etsy is a good place to start because it gets fast traffic. However, you're not going to make a bunch of money. Udemy is great because, again, the traffic is already there. You probably won't make a lot of money right away because you will have to pay Udemy and Etsy their fees. So ultimately, the top rung of this, and really where you'll scale your business, once you create content on YouTube, you are going to sell your sheets yourself. You can do it with ClickFunnels, you can do it with Builderall or GetResponse, really any web page builder. You can even use WordPress if you wanted to. Any web page builder, you can sell your sheets yourself, and then you can charge a little bit more, and you'll actually make more profit because you won't be splitting it with Etsy or Udemy. So the final rung to this is to sell your sheets yourself and then sell your courses yourself, and you can make money. So let's talk through this one more time. The first step, in my opinion, is to hire someone over on Fiverr. If you don't know how to do your sheets yourself, sell them on Etsy. That's going to bring in some money. The next step is to start creating content. This is going to be your long-term play for maximum growth. As you can see here, people are asking questions about how to embed Google Sheets, how to do different things with Google Sheets. What you'll do is you'll embed your links to either your Etsy store or your Udemy course right in the description of all of your videos. Or you can even do affiliate marketing. So you could recommend other people's Google Sheets or other people's courses. But ultimately, if you want to get a full-time income, you want to earn a full-time income from Google Sheets, you want to, in my opinion, you want to sell your own products. So you want to sell your own Google Sheets templates that are easily shareable. You want to create a course and then sell it yourself, and you can sell it all right from your YouTube channel. Hopefully this makes sense. Hopefully you can see the vision where you could make $3,000 per month or $5,000 or $10,000 per month simple with Google Sheets. And I kind of built that out for you, that ladder, so that you can start making money. Now that you know how to start making money with Google Sheets, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.